Okay.
Stop pocket.
Here you go. Don't open it yet.
I need the little one.
All right.
I need the little one. Eric, can you go over here?
Yep. Here, come on over here.
Okay,
You
go
may
ahead.
open them, guys.
Open it up. Who are they from?
Yeah.
Daddy and me.
Me and Bridget.
Well, no. When
I got
the mom. Yeah.
another Jordan setup.
Jeez, kid.
Cool. Look at that. Whoa, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
No. Okay. I know it.
Jake, it is that piece of paper, buddy.
Open up that piece of paper.
Unfold that piece of paper.
I got a ball. It is this piece. Yes, open it.
Piece of paper.
Open it up.
Oh, no.
I got a ball.
You did get a ball.
Wow. I really missed it.
What is it?
Thank you.
Dog. Dog? Is that our dog? No.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
We're going and getting it today.
In just a little while.
I got a ball! That's for the doggy, Owen. That's not for you. It's for the puppy. Show Owen.
Hi, buddy.
Yes,
What do you think, Jake?
You alright, buddy? You guys saw him yesterday. He was the brown puppy you were playing with yesterday.
Yes!
Yeah.
He's like, that's me, Dad.